So guys, so before I get this going, I do want to say that I'm sorry that I've not been uploading videos that often. That is my fault. It's just that, you know, with work, and also I'm sick. I've been sick like the past 4 days, and just work and being sick is a bad combination. You know, when I get home I'm tired, I just want to eat, go to sleep, and just rest. So, but you know, today was a short day, so I'm just gonna, you know, push through it, because I've had, right now I have like 4 reviews on my system just sitting there, just waiting to be uploaded. I just gotta edit the videos and, you know, upload them. So just gonna push through it and get this one out. So here we go. Gold Michael Vick, a budget beast, 6 foot tall, 91 speed, 80 awareness, 82. Oh, of course, this with the chemistry boost. 82 mid throw, 93 throw on the run, 79 play action, 83 throw short, 94 throw power, and 85 deep throw. Now, of course, there is also a rookie version of this, but you might as well go with the chemistry boost one, right? And of course, right there you just see the 90 spin, 90 juke, very agile, but 67 carry, man, that makes me nervous, and I'll show you why later on. But even though he's a gold card, the short pass really, oh, this is very interesting. You would think the short pass would not be a problem. There were times where he would, you know, throw the ball, even the short pass is like behind the receiver, so just look out for that when you have him. Now, he was very impressive, and if you saw my previous video, me doing a you know, a full gameplay, well, not a full gameplay, but a somewhat gameplay with him, some of these clips are from that game. And the mid throw, I mean, I could not believe it, man. The mid throw was you know, fairly impressive. Look at this cover too, that right there, that play, I could not believe it. Someone in his face, getting ready to hit him, threw it perfectly. Look at that dot. I mean, this guy left me speechless, man, just speechless. Now, I do have a theory about the deep throw. I don't think it's so much the deep throw accuracy as it is the throw power, because you see over here with the chemistry boost, only an 82 deep throw, but if you got a good throw power, you see here, this was ridiculous. I don't want to keep, you know, beating a dead horse, but he really was impressive. Look at this, like 50-yard bomb hitting him perfectly in stride for a touchdown. So from what I can tell, a solid beast. Now, the biggest negative surprise might be throwing on the run. Of course, he had some nice dots. You see right here, running to the left or to the right. And of course, he is left-handed, so you might have to get used to that. But of all the passes, technically, throwing on the run is where he had the most incomplete passes, excuse me, which was a bit of a surprise. He did have one bad mid throw, you see right here, and he had one bad deep throw, which is right here. But he did have like 3 or 4 bad throws on the run. And that was a bit surprising, and I do understand that throwing on the run is a bit more difficult, but still, when it's a 93, you don't expect it to happen that often, so that was definitely a bit of a surprise there. And of course, possibly the biggest selling point, if not the only selling point for this card, is his 91 speed. Covers so much ground, man. Look at the ground he's covering, and it's ridiculous. I mean, I can't stop saying that word, man. I'm trying to find a different word to use, but look at this, man. I had so much fun, you know. When you were throwing the ball with Vick, like I was doing, you know, people, you know, drop guys back in coverage, they're dropping guys deep, and that's when you gotta do this, take off with them when they least expect to, get huge chunks of yards at a time and kill them that way. So, and of course, slide or go out of bounds. So here's my final conclusion on Michael Vick. And I'm sorry guys if I sound weird, like I said, I'm sick. I'm doing my best to talk normal here. Michael Vick, the GOAT Michael Vick, no doubt a budget beast. He could definitely be a game changer. But the best way to describe this particular Vick is that he could be the player that helps you win the game, but he could also be the player that helps you lose the game because of those crazy, once in a while, inaccurate passes. But you know what, man? That's why he's a budget beast. You know, you're getting what you pay for. That's the best way to put it. You're getting what you pay for. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap this up. He goes for like 10k. That's not that much. Like between 10 and 15k, that is so cheap, considering how well he plays as well. And of course, get that chemistry up, he'll play even better for you. But anyways, guys, I'll see you boys later. Hopefully, very, very soon. I'll do my best to get these reviews out as quickly as possible. I'll see you boys later. Peace.